Hi. Say hi. So I'm going to make another mukbang. Sukanya. I wanted to make mukbang with my husband, but he doesn't want to be on. So it's just me. Look at all this.
KFC.
Like I said before, my mom, my dad bought KFC this earlier today, but we're only eating it now for supper. This is actually dinner. I haven't had my dinner yet. Look at that. It's 3 pieces of chicken. I said I was gonna eat 2, but cannot help it, so I'm having 3 chicken. My husband also had 3, and look at his plate. He had 3 chicken, and this is all that's left. So here we have the coleslaw, the mashed potato, the 3 big chicken. 1 is spicy and 2 is original.
Spicy.
You want to be in the video?
No.
Then?
No.
Okay, let's eat. This is a different angle because my husband took my spot. That is my spot just now. So I have to change my spot. Oh, here's chili sauce. Usually use Maggi chili sauce. Can you see? But it's not as crispy. Check it out. It's not crispy because what?
Cold.
Because it's cold. Because dah sejuk. But still tastes good even though it's soggy already. That's a TV. There's no tissue in the room, so the KFC one. Tissue. I have to do tissue. Mukbang. I'm just gonna. Oh no. Kau apa ni? Buka lah.
Ya.
Tak ada movie. Tengok lah. Suka bagus? Mana?
Iklan je.
Nampak? Sini. Dia sebenarnya lagi sedap bila panas kan? Why ah? Juicy ke crispy?
Crispy and crispy.
No. No sound of crispiness. Mashed potato. Yeah. Ellen, no?
Excellent.
This is going to take some time to finish. This is tea. Warm tea. Manis lah. The chili is sweet. Mana cover dia? Buka. It's finished. All clean. 3 pieces of chicken is actually a lot. I don't know how people can eat 1 bucket. 1 bucket is usually how many
15.
pieces? 9 or 15. Yeah.
Yeah.
15 pieces. That is so much. Melarat you habiskan 3 kan? Ha?
Kenyang juga.
Itu nasi lemak. Ha? Nasi lemak.
Ya dah, nanti lah tu. Janganlah buat kat rumah.
Dia nak tunjuk.
Ya.
Nak tunjuk lah.
Kenyang makan.
Why not?
Ya dah, nanti kan kenyang sangat.
So this is 3 pieces of chicken wings. My husband brought back from his kitchen. What's this called? What chicken wing is this called?
Buttermilk chicken.
Where's the sauce?
No sauce.
It's buttermilk chicken wing for the new menu at their restaurant. At the restaurant he's working at. Buttermilk chicken.
Oh.
But without sauce? Whatever.
Kan menu ni.
Huh?
Ini kan testing.
Oh, it's not menu menu. It's actually food tasting. Food tasting to be suggested on the menu. Don't know what that would taste like, but if I can, we'll try it later. Have to finish all these. I like the bone part. Wah, macam nak charge tu? Dia pun tak ada kepala.
Ada.
Dia cari kepala. Charger ni mana?
Charger dia cable je.
No.
Ada dalam tu.
One more?
Bawah.
Bawa mana?
Bawah. Bawah lah.
My husband just went to wash his hands. I know this is awkward. And you're noticing it, I'm not. You know, usually I talk more while eating, but awkward. Because usually I do the videos alone. Kacau je. Kacau. Kacau. Ayolah, tukar lah.
Yalah.
Ni, Halloween tak ada?
Tak ada.
I'm trying to see if got horror movie. Because it's Halloween. Please. Chat chat. Chat chat.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's horror movie on TV. Oh, tak ada. Next. Online. Cakap. Macam big grade ni. Big grade benda. Macam masa dia muda. Info dia apa?
What are you saying, Jerry? Oh my God.
I've been terrible about it. And I really need your help right now.
I'll help you, Jerry. Go ahead. I'm listening.
You know the condo I...
At your company party. Yeah.
Everybody's saying a happy song. And you know that English girl, Fiona, let me come over. And we were supposed to go to see an awesome show. And what are you doing?
Masa ni Ryan nak muda yuk. Macam boring ke?
Ya, memang.
The big issues. Do you live in God? Me too. I totally think that you have it out for me. It's because everyone else left and it totally craps all over me and I want to know why. Why would he put a little boy in a home with a father like that? Make my mother lose herself so completely that she'd rather die than be with me.
I like this part.
But if he is all-knowing, then God must have appeared and killed
Your
him.
neck.
Sheesh, what's the fuck? Good, if I had to tape you, we're gonna get on the fast road to mental health, okay? Hey, you start doing this silent shrinking and I can't predict what I'll do. Now, why do I hear voices?
The
A
voices.
lot of people hear voices. Or thoughts they can't stop.
Thoughts?
Yeah. It might be a voice telling them their worst of so stupid. Or it could tell them to indulge every desire. Drink that drink, take that drug, follow every sexual impulse. Or it could be a cynical voice telling them nothing matters as if efforts are insignificant.
You hear stuff like that?
Yeah, I have thoughts. Not exactly the same as you, but similar. They tell me that I'm fat or psychotherapy is not a worthwhile exercise, that is not real, that I should have aimed higher than a government job, that my potential is being squandered, that I'm unworthy of love.
But none of that's true. So what do you do about it?
I can't shut them off entirely. Nor would I want to. But I can't argue against them. Just because you have thoughts doesn't mean you have to act on them.
You don't have to act on it?
No. Being alone in the world is the root of all suffering. But Jerry, you're not alone.
See, that's like 10 years of therapy in 10 seconds.
Where are we going?
Home. You gotta feed my pets.
Kenapa macam tu? Esok cakap Mami makan ikan, buat masak ikan tenggiri ya. Sayur pun ada je tau. Esok you punya casserole dengan apa? I buat sandwich peanut butter. So you got one apa? Peanut butter banana. Yeah. Peanut butter banana. One more drumstick. One more drumstick. Oh. Too bad it's not crispy anymore. Kenapa? Mayat kot dalam tu.
Entah. Dia cakap kucing ni.
What the heck? Tu dah dia punya mind lah. Orang lain tak dengar kot.
Jerry, I'm scared.
She wasn't scared last week when she threatened to send you back to the moon pen. Me too. Well, what can I do to make you more comfortable? Huh?
I want to make a phone call.
She'll call the cops.
No, I just don't want to be alone.
Stay right there. Hold on. Wait. You don't have to be alone. Here.
Okay.
Kepala orang.
All done.
Kepala orang tu, dia ingat kepala orang tu bercakap.
Tapi
Sebenarnya dah mati.
okay, it's all finished. It's all bones. It's just bones. Oh no, but this one, there's still a lot. I'll try to finish it. Mashed potato. Put it here.
What are you gonna do to me?
But this one, I cannot. You dah rasa? You tak rasa ke tadi?
Tak larat lah.
No, I mean masa food tasting. I don't know if I can have that, but we'll just save it later. Okay guys, that's all. I know I haven't talked much, but it's because my husband is here.
Gambar tu kepala.
I didn't talk much because my husband is around. So, see you at the next mukbang or vlog. Bye bye.